For this makeup look, I am starting with a moisturised and hydrated skin. I am then going in with Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter to create a really good blank canvas for my makeup, and it's a really good glowy base also. I'm starting with my brows today. Doing this will help you create structure for your eye makeup. So I'm using the Anastasia Brow Gel, and what I am doing is I'm brushing it into the brows and then against the brows. This will create a stronger hold, so anyone with wiry eyebrows, this will definitely help. Once the product is on the brows, brush it up with either your brush or a clean spoolie and brush them up into shape. What I would do then is go back over the top of them and tame down any excess hairs that you feel are standing on edge. If you want to create a natural brow, check out a pen. These are like easy to create hair strokes, and I'm using the Glossier Brow Flick pen. You can get this in different colours. I'm using the medium brown, and you can just add very, very lightly the areas that you feel you need a little bit more hair flicks. Try not to be too heavy-handed with this because it can go wrong so fast. So as you can see, they're very, very light strokes, and especially for the inner eye, I always feel it is a good one to use there. A clean spoolie is used here again, and this is used to just take away any excess, or if you found you went heavier in one part, just brush it out and brush it through. After concealing my eyes, I have picked up some translucent powder and I'm blotting this all over the eye from the brow bone down to your lid to create a great base for my eye makeup. I am using the Be Perfect Mini Muted palette, and I've started with the colour Flat as my transition colour. While looking straight into a mirror, use a back and forth movement on the crease of the eye and take this all the way through your inner eye. Pick up the colour Lullaby, and with the same brush, use this over the first colour, but keep it lower on the crease. And you can do this underneath the eye too. With a flat brush, add some of the colour Pause and work along the lash line and create a slight tapered wing. If you find this hard, you can use some cosmetic tape and apply it underneath the eye and to create that lovely tapered back wing. I am using a Hildun eyeliner here, and this is in the colour Pecan. So I'm gently going over the eyeliner that I have done with this, and you can smudge it down on the bottom as well with a smudging eyeliner brush. Take it all the ways across if needed. And don't be afraid here to get it through the waterline, we'll be doing that as well. But give it a nice smudging and tie in then with your tapered line. Add the same eyeliner to the waterline on the bottom and on the top. I look so scary doing this. But add that all over the top and the bottom. Choose Pitch from the palette, which is a nice dark black colour, and using an angled flat brush, add it to the outside of the eyeliner, top and bottom. This will create a little bit more darkness to the eye. Using a smudging brush, gently brush up the excess of the eyeshadow on the wing. And we do this and we smudge it to create a softer look. Add Soul to the inner eye for some shimmer, and also this will add a little bit of warmth to the eye. The eyeshadow Soft will define the inner eye and add brightness to the area. Curl your lashes. And then you can add your favourite mascara, and I would definitely go for black here over brown. Add a few individual lashes. If you prefer a more fuller look, do that. I'm using nice natural ones because I just want to lift the outside of the eye and just to create a little bit of a cat eye effect towards the outside of the eye. Wipe clean totally underneath and start your foundation next. So for the foundation, I have mixed Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation with Beautiful Skin Foundation. So the Beautiful Skin gives a dewy effect, a really fresh look, which is a medium coverage. And I've added in a tiny little bit of the Airbrush just to give myself extra coverage on the skin where it's needed. So sometimes on my cheek area, my nose area, I do need that extra little bit of coverage. Don't forget to blend down onto the neck and to match your colour. Once the foundation is done, grab a damp beauty blender and buff this all over the skin. The reason why I do this, it helps me achieve a more blurred effect on my skin, and it nearly melts my foundation into the skin that creates just a flawless finish. If you suffer from cakey or dry skin, this is absolutely an amazing technique as well. With the same beauty blender, add some contour. I'm using a cream one, and this is the Sosu contour in warm. Use it on my forehead, just underneath my cheekbones, and a little bit on my chin. Blush is next, and again it's a cream one. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Moonbeam. So just pop a tiny little bit on the cheek area, and you can take it right up to the temples. Again, I'm using the damp beauty blender just to create a softer look on my contour, my highlight and my blush. The highlight is from Poco Beauty, and again just very softly. It's not anything too shiny or too glowy, so just I want the three to blend in together. For my lips, I'm using Whirl Lip Liner from MAC. This is a gorgeous brown colour. And then for my lipstick, I am using, it's again from MAC, and the name of it is Thanks It's MAC. Really fresh, lovely colour. Slight bit of colour, nothing too much, but I feel it kind of blends in with the skin and the eyes that I've done today. I'm adding a touch of gloss. This is the Catrice lip oil, just to create a more youthful look on the lips. And then to finish off, I am using a MAC Skinfinish. So this is the mineralized skin finish in Cheeky Bronze, just for a sun-kissed look, and to finish off the highest points on the face and down along the neck as well. So sort the hair, get the hair down, and there you go. That's the finished look. Very easy makeup application to do, very easy eyes, but it looks quite glam. Gorgeous for a night out. Hope you enjoyed.